Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be going through the latest snapshot 23W42A. If you have been following this channel for a while now, you might know I'm Redstone mad. And you best bet I'm gonna do something with crafters today. A crafter is a simple but powerful mechanic for crafting using redstone. Speaking of mechanic, the crafter block outputs a signal strength of 1 every time a block enters its inventory or a slot is disabled. Well, now we are using the same mechanic to exploit crafters. If there was a way to check if the crafter was full, that is. Excellent. If you quite did not understand what happened there, or if you're new to Redstone, the general idea is to use a comparator in subtract mode. Giving it a signal strength of 8 on its side guarantees us a signal strength of 1 whenever the crafter is full, with or without the slots disabled. Hence making it a robust design, and theoretically you can craft anything with such a design. You can make this design a lot more smaller, but in today's video we'll just be discovering and identifying what we can do using a crafter. Just to think out loud, here you just have to connect this input directly to the crafter. But then I want to use observers. Observers fire twice, one during the rising edge, the other during the falling edge. And hence, after a quick math, I realized the delay should be a multiple of 3. However, it's debatable. After a few quick tests, I realized 6 ticks would be the best amount of delay. The main highlight here is the crafter throws out whatever the item is sitting in its output slot. Even though it has items which are valid crafting combination, they will not be crafted out because of the 6 tick delay. And the advantage of using an observer block is for its infinitely stackable design. For the keen-eyed redstone geniuses, you might be thinking how on earth it's only producing iron blocks within such a stackable design. The logic behind it is we are only powering the crafter provided it's completely full and has a valid output craftable combination.